In industrial settings, walls and surfaces are often coated with layers of grease, dirt, and stains, making traditional cleaning slow and ineffective. We begin the process by introducing Cleantrol Lemon Wall Wash, a concentrated and biodegradable cleaning solution formulated to tackle heavy industrial grime. Next, we use the Liberty Foamer. This pressurized foam applicator ensures uniform coverage and maximum contact time on vertical surfaces. The Cleantrol solution is poured into the foamer, and the system is pressurized. Once ready, we apply the foam directly onto the dirty surface. After sufficient dwell time, we switch to a power flush high-pressure water jet. The strong stream effectively washes away the loosened contaminants, revealing a clean, fresh surface underneath. The results are immediate and impressive. What was once a heavily soiled wall is now completely clean, with no scrubbing required. This combination of Cleantrol Lemon Wall Wash, Power Flush Liberty Foamer, and high-pressure rinsing delivers a powerful, efficient, and professional-grade cleaning solution. Safe for surfaces, tough on grime. This is industrial cleaning made simple.